Dell S2725QC Review, Setup Guide and Best Settings. Best 27-inch 4K USB-C monitor. If you want a sharp 4K monitor for work, a MacBook setup, or even casual gaming, the Dell S2725QC is a very interesting option. It combines 4K resolution, 120Hz, USB-C charging, and a built-in USB hub in a clean 27-inch design. If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The S2725QC uses a 27-inch IPS panel with a 3840 by 2160 resolution, 120Hz refresh rate, 350 nit brightness, and 99% sRGB coverage. That combination gives you sharp text and plenty of desktop space, while 120Hz makes scrolling and everyday movement feel noticeably smoother than a standard 60Hz monitor. One of its biggest strengths is connectivity. The USB-C port supports DisplayPort and up to 65 watts of power delivery, so a compatible laptop can receive video, data, and charging through one cable. There are also two HDMI 2.1 ports and a built-in USB hub with both USB-A and USB-C ports. The stand is another useful feature. You get height, tilt, swivel, and pivot adjustments, while the monitor also supports a 100 by 100 VESA mount. For setup, connect your laptop through USB-C if you want the simplest one-cable arrangement. For the best general picture, use the standard or sRGB-oriented mode, then adjust brightness based on your room lighting. If you're gaming, enable the higher refresh rate in your operating system and use FreeSync when supported. But there are compromises. This is an IPS monitor with a typical 1500 to 1 contrast ratio, so blacks won't look as deep as they do on OLED. Independent testing also found noticeable motion blur, and HDR performance is limited because there is no local dimming. So this isn't the ideal choice for serious HDR gaming or fast competitive gaming. Overall, the S2725QC makes the most sense for productivity, office work, content creation, and laptop users who want a convenient USB-C setup. If your priority is competitive gaming or premium HDR, you should look elsewhere. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below what you would use this 4K monitor for.